Okay, so starting out with basics, like I got my browser, obviously. It's just Firefox with some extensions and some themes and stuff. I've done a little bit of customization with like CSS, but not much. So then, here comes the cool part. So I'm using a tiling window manager with Hyperland. So I can have my windows tiled like this, and it just shows up on the screen really nicely like this. And it's awesome. I can like drag them around, resize, move stuff around, all the standard stuff. So that's cool thing number one. Oh, I can also pop it into freeform mode, like this, and then I can move it around, or I can pop it into pseudo tile mode, and then it'll stay in the center of the screen. So I can use that for screenshots sometimes because it looks really nice. So then on to some of the cool things I can do. So I can change my wallpaper with change wall. Pretty simple. It just runs a little randomizer script and then sends it to hyperctl to send the IPC command to hyperpaper and then change the wallpaper. Really simple. So then, well, obviously my terminal's nice and pretty, really simple. I got Atwin installed, so I got all my nice history. I got, I forget what it's called. It's, Zoxide, that's what it's called. But I have that alias to Z, so I can jump around my system. So this is my dots directory. So if we look in here, we'll put that as a tile. Let's go over here. I have all of my system configuration in here. So in my dots folder, I have like the wallpapers, basically anything that needs to be symlinked goes in there. Then I have, close that up. Alright, so then I have the machines folder, and this houses all my various machines. So this is my laptop Moonlark. I got my default Nix, like all standard stuff, all my packages and everything. And then I got my secrets. Those are all encrypted with my SSH key. Then this is probably the coolest bit. It's my custom modules. So I named it Atelier, just because I thought it was a neat name. And so authentication enable, it does all the PAM stuff. If you look over here in modules under nixos, I got Polkit, I got my PAM stuff to make fingerprint work, and it's pretty neat. And then over here I got, this is the neat bit. So Network Manager by default has an incredibly verbose config, and it takes up like 8 lines per Wi-Fi network you want to configure. It's really annoying and drove me nuts. So I simplified it so that now my module takes care of all of the templating and everything, and I just have my Wi-Fi networks here, and I can also like configure my name servers and everything, which is pretty neat. I got Iodine because I was trying to use that once tunnel through playing Wi-Fi. It didn't work. Haven't removed it yet. Got VirtualBox, all of the other stuff. Pretty standard, most of it. And I also got my home config, which again is very simple. Also has an Atelier thing here, and this has like all of my apps and everything that's under home. So then like for Crush, I got my different models and everything, and it's really neat because like I can just enable, disable things. It's like, for example, if on Nest, I just enable my shell. On Tachyon, which is a Raspberry Pi 5, I can enable a bunch more stuff. I can enable the theming. It's so fun. I enjoy it so much. And then what else? Obviously, I got my secrets and everything. I got like the main entry point for the flake. Here, got a ton of inputs, and then I got like my overlays and stuff. All my different machines configured here. Probably need to migrate it to like easy hosts or something. because it's a little bit verbose, and I'd kind of like the automated system management where it like manages what type of system it is and then passes it for stuff so you don't have to write out the whole package.system bit. That'd be kind of cool. Anyway, yeah, that's that bit. I guess like over here I can show you, got VirtualBox. We can start it. Switch.
Jojo? Yeah?
And if it shows that, wait for it to boot up. It's probably not going to boot up actually.
Sitting at Papa's door. No, don't. Sit on the couch.
Oh, right. I forgot about that. There we go. Now. There we go. So I got my thing. This is that project I was working on a bit ago. You can like tune it to different stations, and then it'll play internet radio. It's kind of neat in my opinion. Flooding up does not work very well. Maybe that's the it's pretty cool. So I was doing some dev work on there. Windows XP is so much fun to play with. Okay, so I'll power that off. What else do I have? I mean, I got screenshots. I can paste them places. I have far too many screenshots in this folder. I can take videos with the same thing, and it uses WL screencast. Use WL screen record to record it really efficiently. That's what I'm doing right now, actually, because I got tired of OBS like making my computer fans scream, because it's just over bloated for what it actually needs to do, which is just record the output of the screen directly to a file. And it works really well. What else? Like I can SSH into like another hosts and stuff. They have the same set shell config. It's awesome. It's all like this bit being dynamic automatically text whenever it's on SSH and just changes the color. Oh, love it so much. Yeah, I think that's probably all the main bits. Like I can also, I guess the other bits would be, I can gotta do allow insecure because it's mad right now. Because there's a package that went out of date and it's kind of annoying. So if I can like update my flake, and it's nix, so it's atomic, and so if it fails, it'll fail completely, and I can roll back if I want. It's awesome. I also got what's it called? Oh, I forget the thing. It's like the mix output stream something or another. But it makes the whole build process really pretty. If we wait a minute, you might see it. But yeah, it's awesome. I also have, I think it's called Flare now. And one of my friends made that. It's just kind of cool. It's neat for like calculator stuff. Because like you can do €10, $2, and you can convert stuff all in natural language. That natural language that's the best bit. I honestly don't use it that much and end up just using calc because it's easier. I don't know, for simple calculations. Yeah, this is what I meant by the pretty builds and everything. You get nice bit. Oh sweet, everything's updated. Yeah, it's pretty fun. So I think that's like all of the main things shown here. I got Slack, of course. I live in Slack essentially. Yeah. So hope this is interesting and hope it explains a bit more about my operating system. Oh, I also got like the stuff up here. I can switch tabs. I think that's kind of self-explanatory. Yeah. Bye.